Good morning, guys. So we're actually about to shampoo my hair. I had my hair braided under a wig, and then I put it up in a ponytail, and then I put it in a lazy bun under some wigs again. So yeah, it's just time to get shampooed. I think we're gonna do another ponytail today. We're gonna do this ponytail. I made a video of it, but I couldn't tell, or I didn't really like it in that video that I made. So yeah, I just thought I would shampoo my hair with you guys and talk to you guys. I'm loving all of the curl definition and the hang time. Yes, honey. So this, in between whatever I was doing, I used the Shea Moisture Curl Stretch Pudding, and this actually works. I know the flaxseed, I'm using a lot of Shea Moisture today. This they don't even sell anymore. I always find it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's, and I told my mom, I was like, if you see it, buy it, because I think they're not making it anymore, which is crazy. And I also saw people on Mercari, probably some dudes, or maybe even a woman, but they're like selling the bottle for like 20 bucks, and I'm like, if push comes to shove, but I am definitely not. Well, we'll see. Anyways, you guys see how this shampoo makes my hair? Like, honey, this is taking over. Remember when I was like, oh my gosh, I love the argan oil shampoo? Not no more, sis. This is the new winner. Not even gonna buy another bottle of the argan oil one, because look at that. This is shampoo, sis. Anyways, let me stop acting like I have endless and endless bottles of this, because I don't. So yeah, this is how I shampoo my hair. Just makes it so much easier because your girl has a lot of hair. I feel like if you don't have that much hair, you might not have to do it this way. But I also feel like I get to spend more time with my curls shampooing it this way and like see how they are. I remember growing up, my hairstylist, which I still talk to, which is so crazy, she used to always be like, or even when I just go to the beauty shop, they'd always be like, oh my gosh, your hair is so pretty. And I was like, what are they talking about? I've only ever seen my hair like, not even like this is the healthiest I've ever seen my hair. Like, I have curls that go from root to tip, and it's honestly because I've just been wearing my hair in a wig. Like, don't care. I don't care when guys are like, oh, I don't like girls that wear wigs, or when girls are like, you just don't like your hair because you don't wear it natural. You just don't know how to care for your hair. You just don't want to put the time in. Been there, done that. Ask any of my family. I used to do everything to my hair. I used to put mayonnaise in it. I used to, everything but a relaxer. Mayonnaise in my hair. I don't think I ever put avocado in my hair. Milk in my hair. Everything. And this is like right as the natural hair care movement was starting. So we didn't have like kinky curly and like Shea Moisture and stuff. Like, no. So yeah. And I've just found that the best way to make my hair grow, what works for me, is to wear wigs and leave my hair alone. But I know other people have found other ways, so do you. But I don't like when people be trying to, I'm going to town on this shampoo, but my hair is really dirty. I really don't like people try to tell me I shouldn't wear wigs, blah, blah, blah. Save it for somebody else who cares, because sis, I'm not saying I got the longest hair, but this is the healthiest my hair's been. Look at that. Look at that. So what else? So yesterday I've been wearing this wig. It's Outre Penny. It's a half wig. And I was looking at myself with it, and I was like, man, after all that talk about wigs, I'm like, I think I might actually be like ready to just start wearing my natural hair. My cousin actually bought the blow dryer that like instantly blow dries your hair. I want to try it and possibly straighten my hair, because I haven't straightened my hair since 2018. Yeah, I didn't straighten my hair really this year. I blow dried it, but I have not straightened my hair since 2018. And I remember when I straightened my hair because we were taking family photos, and I was like, I want to remember myself with like my natural hair, and this will be like a good hallmark like where my natural hair was, but honestly I haven't had the desire. Like, you guys, I grew up straightening my hair every 2 weeks, like getting my hair done, which was sometimes once a month. And then when I learned how to flat iron my hair, which was like high school, maybe even middle school, I started doing my own hair every 2 weeks, and every 1 week I was able to grow out my hair, but heat damaged it. It was just always a fight with my hair. So then once I started wearing wigs, I was like, why fight with my hair when I can just get the same look in less time and protect my hair? So that's kind of where I've been at. So I noticed that this curl pudding actually has protein in it, which I think helps a lot with length. Like, from my years of being, anytime a product really claims to like stretch or lengthen your hair, it probably has a lot of protein in it, and that kind of like gives your hair this like straw feeling. I don't know if you guys can tell, it looks a little really dirty, but like my hair right here is like straw filling because that's where I put the curl pudding in at the end when I braided my hair for my bun. But this up here is like natural curl pattern. I just have to remind myself to be careful when using these products. I don't want like my hair to get stuck in this elongated part and break off. So yeah, do you guys give yourself little reminders like that, or do you guys even like notice your hair being weird after trying different products? I think I've noticed most products don't work, but like when a product actually works and strengthens my hair, I'm like, okay, why does it work? And then I like look at the ingredients or whatever. I probably just need a better protein moisture balance though. All right, getting all this gunk out of my hair. I really need to deep condition my hair, but I don't think that's happening today. I kind of wanted to edit a video before I start work, so maybe tonight, or who knows, maybe I'll deep condition it real fast. Maybe I'll deep condition while I edit the video. There's just so much I need to do today that I probably should have taken care of yesterday. So I'll probably have to deep condition my hair tonight. You guys see that though? All that definition. Come through, shampoo, come through. I think this is a job for a white tooth comb. Woo, girl, the length. Yeah, this is a job for a white tooth comb. I find that the white tooth comb kind of just cuts through the knots easier. I don't feel like I'm like dragging. Yeah, this is so much easier, and it gets the hair out faster too. Wow, the girl has a lot of hair. Okay, I'm gonna repeat the process on the other side, and then I'm going to wash and condition my hair. I feel like you guys don't need to see that, but if you want to see it, I will leave video links of other videos of me doing that. But yeah, y'all don't need to see this part. I will be back and show you guys how I style my hair for the ponytail. Alright, you guys, and that is it for this low ponytail. Probably wear it for a day or two. Put the scarf back on and let it really just like, you know, but this is cute. I definitely like this better as a lower ponytail rather than up here. It looks a little bit more, my skin is so ashy, you guys. Don't drag me in the comments. I think it looks just a tad bit more realistic. I kind of want the ponytail to be up, just like, you know what, no, the low pony's fine. I just need to put my scarf on and leave it. Really wish I had my eco styler, but all good.